Hey Kurt, I believe this is your website. I'm not 100% sure. I wasn't able to find a website or a Facebook page. This is the closest thing I found. Looking at this, if this is not your website, I'll just go over it anyways. But looking at this, there's not too much content on it. Content's kind of king with Google. Looks like there's about 505 words on it. I try to get another 1,000 in there, about 1,500. I'd probably be fine with 1,000, but I'd go to 1,500. And then looking at the pictures, see what they're saved as. Another thing that Google likes. See this, you'd want to save this as a keyword. So like hardwood floors, Syracuse, New York, or whatever you want to rank for with Google. And you want to do that with all of your pictures. Go into Google, search in hardwood floor installation, Syracuse. You'll see there's a Google map pack here. If there's ads, they'd go up here. Coming down, looking for your competition. Going here is number one organically. This is what his website looks like. He doesn't have much content either. He has 302 words, so less than you. So that's good. Getting more content will definitely beat him. Let's see what he saves his pictures as. Save image as 2:1. Okay. That obviously is not what you're supposed to save it as. So that's good. That means that you can definitely beat them with that. You can add keywords to your images. Another tool I'll use is Ahrefs. I plugged you in here. Looks like you got 173 backlinks, 21 referring domains. Your DR isn't all that good. UR is 7. That's, not that. It's not all that good either. You might have a bunch of spammy links in here. So you'd want to go in here and get rid of the ones that would be spammy. Also, a bunch of no-follow links could do that as well, but doesn't look like you have too much to do that. I guess you just have a whole bunch of. Let's see. Yeah, you wouldn't really want these ones. So I'd disavow those if I were you. Let's go back. You can see what your keywords are. You got 23 of them. You get 28 organic traffic from them. Hardwood flooring, Syracuse, New York. That's you get 11 people a month from that. You position number 4 has 100 volume for that. It's 10 KD. So that's good. Obviously that is name specific. See, you get 5 traffic from that, 40 people there. Your number 3, 1 KD. So super easy to rank for those. But yeah, it looks like you do have you're ranking for the keywords that you want to. Let's go check out your competitor, see what he's got. He doesn't have as many backlinks, or I don't know about referring domains. Who has more of that? I think you did. Yeah, you have a couple more. And his scores are pretty bad too, so you don't really have to worry about that. But I would still get up a whole bunch more backlinks. You can come in here and take the backlinks that he has that you might not have. But again, not all backlinks are the same or created equal. So you want to get the higher number ones and stay away from the low ones. And pay attention to do follow or no follow. He's got a lot more keywords than you. Let's see what he's got for keywords. I forgot to see what his traffic was. Must not be too much though. Hardwood floor staircase. That's not location specific at all. It looks like hardwood floor refinishing, Syracuse, New York. So you can go for this one. 50 volume, 2 KD, super easy to get. I don't know if you have this one or not. I would have to check. But you can come in here and see which ones you don't have. It doesn't look like this guy's keywords are all that great or anything. Hardwood floor installation, Syracuse, New York. I think you have that one. But you know, it's 1 KD. If you don't have it, go for it. Another one right here. This one's 10. I think you have both of those. But yeah, you can just come down here and see what ones that you don't have. What ones are easy to rank for. What one has a lot of volume, and just go for those. There's a bunch of other ways to look for keywords too. The next thing is Google Map Pack. Free to make a Google Map Pack. Taking this top guy, you can go to whitespark.ca, see how many citations he has. He only has 16, which isn't that much. You could easily get 100, 200. It just takes time, but it's pretty easy to do. I can come in here and copy the ones that he has. You can go to Google, find a whole bunch more. Some of them cost money, but there's a lot of free ones, so you can go out there and get the free ones. You can easily get 100 and become #1 in Google Maps as well. It is this, location specific, so just because you have all the citations might not mean you get #1 depending on where the person's searching from their area or not. But yeah, so you're welcome to do it whatever you want with that information. You can do a lot of that stuff yourself. If you want, we can set up a Zoom call and go over stuff. Or you can, go, do it yourself if you want. But anyways, have a good rest of the day.